Morning everyone, welcome to this session number 378, and today we have a new problem. Um, One moment, I want to share this streaming. But one moment please. What? Okay, nice. Now it's a share in Twitter. Um, Nice. Okay. We have this problem. Is the problem 215, and is the key th large element or largest element in the array. Given integer array nums and integer k, return the k the largest element in the array. Note that it is the k largest element in sort order, not the k distinct element. Uh-huh. Can you solve without sorting? Mm, for example, here, this case is k is equal to, means that we need to return the 2. Uh-huh. Return the k largest element in the array. Should we return the 5? Why only? Uh-huh. Note that it is the k largest element in the sorted order, not the k distinct element. 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, and 4, and k is equal to. Let me check this problem. 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, k is equal 4. Return the 4 largest element in the array. In this case, return 4. Okay, k, the minimum is 1 and the maximum is 10, 100, 1000, 10, 100. I think that is 100,000 here. It is in negative and positive, the values. Okay, but I don't catch what is the why only return 5. Given integer array nums and integer k, return the k largest element in the array. Note that is the k largest element in the sorted order. Let me check if I have this in only for try to understand. I sort. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, and 6. Now okay, in this case the largest values, in this case if I sort 6 5 4 3 2 1, the second in this case is the second value is this. Yeah, for this, for example, is 1 2 3 4 4 and is 4 is 1 2 3 and 4. That is this. Okay, now okay, this sounds like that I can use priority queue. Okay, nice. Okay, yeah, my first idea is try to keep this in a priority queue. Yeah, and in this case the min heap means that this is the default order in the priority queue, the min heap. Yeah, means that the first element appear on the top. In this case is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, right? This is the order, and I only need the, in this case the second is 1 2. Okay, for this I think that it's a simple priority queue. Yeah, a simple priority queue, and only try to keep this size in the queue. For example, the first is the 3. The 3 the size of the number of elements in this queue, it's only 1. 1 it's minor, the 2 is still valid. Now the next that is the 2. In this case is this, and still the minor, the length is minor, that minor equal to 2. Okay, now the next that is the 1. The 1 in this case appear here, and now we have 3. The distance or the length is 1 2 3. Yeah, we have 3 elements that is greater, means that I need remove the first. Yeah. Okay, now the next that is the 5. The 5 is here, and now is greater, the length is greater than 2, means that we need to remove the first, that is the 2. Now the next that is the 6. The 6 appear here, and we need to remove 1 element, and is the minimum. Now the next that is the 4. Yeah, in this case the 4 appear here, and is greater, means that I need to remove the min. And the final is we have only 5 and 6, and it's basically remove and only have the last element. Yeah, I think that this is the idea behind this. Okay, now okay, now here is a priority queue. It's an integer. Min heap, it's equal new prior, come on, priority queue. Yeah, again, this is the default order for the priority queue. At least in Java, this is the natural order. Now the next that is basically iterate over all the nums, integer n nums. And this is min heap dot add n is n. Now here it's a while, but not necessary. I think that it's only one if, where min heap dot size is greater than k. That only happen, for example, if a k is 2, only in this case appear the 3, yeah, because it's 1 by 1. It's not necessarily the while here. Now when it's greater, yeah, here I need to remove min heap that remove and now what I need here, this is the integer result, it's equal 0, and here I only need to min heap is empty. Only iterate over these elements, and result it's equal min heap that no, even it's not necessary this, because it's the for example in this case 4, 5 and 6, I only need to remove the min. Yeah, it's not necessary this. It's enough only with return min heap that remove. Sorry, and now I will execute and I will submit. Okay, it's done. Okay, I think that it's one solution. Let me create here solution and simple solution using min heap Java. Min heap. Okay, I will publish here in Twitter. Well, I think that this is an easy problem if you know the priority queue. But I think that is, I don't feel as a medium. I think that is easy. Okay, now I will check the, no, but with the sort, I think that is not the idea. Min heap, I think that this is my approach. Yeah, it's the same. Even this is not used. It's only this. A quick selector also no. Find a small element in a sorted list is significant because it's average runtime in linear. In this case, the main is n logarithm k. sorting. Yeah, but this is more different way to sort the elements. Okay. Well, I think that is not bad, this performance. Okay, now the next problem is, what is, one moment. Okay, the next problem is this. Okay, it's a problem 973, k closest point to origin. Given an array of points where points is basically the x and y, represent the points on the x and y plane, and an integer k return the k closest point to the origin. The distance between 2 points x and y plane is Euclidean distance, example x 1 less x2 squared. Okay, you may return the answer in any order. The answer is guaranteed to be unique except for the order that it is in. And for example, is this and this and return k. Well, visually we can note that is this, right? Is the less 2 2. Distance between 1 and 3 in the origin is the square root of 10. 1 and 3. The distance between less 2 and 2 in the origin is square is QRT 8. Okay. Now for this is 3 3 5 less 1 less 2 and 4 and k is equal to okay. Now the constraints are k is the minimum is 1 and the maximum is the length of the points, and this k and length of the point are minor equal that 10 100 1000. I think that is 10 100, right? No, 1000. Now here x the minimum is this and the maximum is this. Okay. Well, I think that is similar with the min heap, but in this case I only have the here the Euclidean distance is only the x1 less x2 1 and 3. Let me check. Euclidean distance calculator. To find the Euclidean distance between 2 points, you need to know the coordinates of these points. Taking unique points. The number of components depend on the dimension of the space. To calculate the distance between the point P and the point Q, we apply the generalized form to the Pythagorean theorem. where n is the dimension of the space, and you can see the place. Q1 and let's P1 square plus Q Q2 less P2 square. Okay. Before going to sorry, I have a few years that I left the university. I didn't remember this the Euclidean distance formulas, and also yes, between 2 points. Let us assume x1 and this and this. That is this square plus, and this is the result of the 1 point. D is the distance between this and this, but in this problem said that saying that return the k closest point to the origin 0 means that I need to compare this point with the 0, right? And not with the another point. For example, here the first is this, yeah, and this is 0 and 0, and he said that the distance is x1, that is 1 less 0 square plus 3 less 0 square and is the SQR of the this value. Okay, in this case replacing this is the result, that is equal 10, and is this this case this is 3 point something, and now the next is with this. Okay, I think that we need to but in which way I can relate the point with because for calculate these values it's okay, but the problem is how can I know, for example, the 3 point whatever is the point of the 1,3. Yeah, I think that we can use the purity Q with the map. Recently I learned this, that I can use the map for have the purity Q with the values that appear in a map. Yeah, it's similar like this. Let me, the first is that we need to create a map where appear every Euclidean distance between this and the point 0. This is the first. And next two is create an periodic queue. Yeah. Let me show you here. The first is that create a hash map. Command hash map. Okay. And the first is integer, and the second is I think that is double. Yeah, because it's number with decimals. Now it's map, it's equal new hash map. Yeah, and next to is a simple for integer p, and it's an array. Here is points. Yeah, sorry, I don't remember who wrote this. This and distance. It's equal and this is double. It's equal, and here is, well, basically is only multiply to square. Yeah, in this case is p in the position 0 multiply by itself plus p in the position 1 multiplied by p in the position 1. Yeah, and now this inside that math.sqrt. sqrt. Now this return these values, and now is that map. What I need return, and this map.put I think that instead use the array as a key, I can use the position. Integer I, it's equal 0. This case is the array or the point I appear, or the Euclidean distance is this. Yeah, and obviously I++. And after this I can, or I will have a simple map. For example, in this case, for the first point, that is 1 and 3, the Euclidean distance is 3 point blah blah blah, and the next that is this. For the next for the point 1, that is this, the distance is I don't know, point blah blah blah. Yeah, now the next that is create a periodic queue. This periodic queue will be sorted using the double. Yeah, because it's a distance. And here is min heap. I think that is min heap because the minor are in the top, and I need return return the k closest point is the mean. Mean it's equal new priority queue but here I need to create this comparator. Let me remember. Custom comparator Java. No. I think that here we need two numbers, and the first is D1, D2, and is a lambda. Here oh my gosh, I don't remember. Let me check because I forget the syntaxes. Okay, I see. Now here is D1 and D2, that it's the number, but here we need to use the map dot get no, this let me think. This n1 n2 map dot get n1 less map dot get n2. Yeah, here in essential we have for example the pretty queue, and every time that for example I add here that add is empty in this moment, right? When I add for example 0, basically go to the map and try to compare the values in map with 0, well in this case with the 0 itself, and with the value, sorry, in this case is this point, and the first moment we only have 1, means that it's okay, but in the next iteration when I add the 1, for example this, go to the map and compare. Okay, map.get n1, that is this. Less this. In this case we can determine that the minimum is this, yeah, and the order in the pretty queue keep it this way. This is the minor and this is the maximum, yeah, and that's it. I only need transversal the points, and even it's not necessary do anything, it's only a simple for. Meanwhile I it's minor that points dot length I plus plus, and here is min heap dot add, and it's only the index. Why the index? Because here in the map I use the position or the index for distinguish the items, yeah. And here is what is that? Return the k elements. In this case I can create result here. It's equal new int. In this case the size is k and 2, and here is 4 integer I it's equal 0 equal I it's minor that min heap dot size I plus plus, and here I can set that result in the position I it's equal min heap that remove, and that's it. Double check. hash map, the I is equal 0. Now the priority queue with this. In here, length I add the elements, and now here is after this is only remove the first elements. Yeah, I think that will work. Why? Conversion from double to int. Yeah, it's a double here. Incompatible types cannot infer type arguments for priority queue. Cannot interfere. Argument big match bar return type and lambda expression possible losing conversion from double to int. Let me check. Float 34 where no, it's double. Possible losing conversion from double to int. Why? Map.get in the position n1. I think that should be this. No. Okay, the priority queue is saving the main heap is a double. In this case, this should be received the double, but yeah, I am adding in this case this n1 and n2 in essential is the positions. Yeah, in this case is the position 0 is compared well with the same, I think. In the second is 0 with 1. Okay, the first, let me change this for I will change this for J. Okay, now here min heap as I. Why? I am saving the position with the Euclidean distance. Now this priority queue is a priority queue that's keep the order between minimum and the maximum of the distance, Euclidean distance, and receive as a parameter the position of the array I'm not sure. Why. Maybe I am not doing right this. Why? I don't see my error. Okay. This is for save the position and the Euclid distance. Basically, this is is concerned to the points. J is equal 0, result. Now, in this case, is calculate the Euclid distance and set the point 0, that in this case is 1 and 3. Have the Euclid distance with the point 0, 0 of 3 point whatever, and is saving. And now for the next is the same, is the SQRT of 8 and is saving. Okay, we have the map in this way. Now this priority queue is a priority queue that is sorted based on the is Euclidean distance, and receive or use this comparator to N1 and N2. That is an and this is a lambda that said that N1 that should be, in this case, is map.get, and we need to remember that basically we need to put the key in this point, and the key is only positions. Yeah, for the reason I only transversal this, and with the position into incompatible stack let me check. It's still the same error. Okay, at least disappear the one error. Even I have error here. Result. No, this is wrong. This should be, yeah, this is wrong, because min heap return the Euclid distance and I need the Yeah, here I need consult the map. In here, min heap add in the index 0. Well, let me solve this. In this case is get key using value map. We don't have another way. Min heap remove and this return the Euclid distance. Here is map dot get map operations Java. In this case, I need transversal the map to get the elements that contain this Euclidean distance. Yeah, I think that while map.get it's equal 0, and meanwhile this it's different that min heap that remove no it's not remove, it's pick. Yeah, and is x plus plus when search the element is basically x. No, yeah, it's x, and I can remove this, and yeah, what sorry, this is points in the position x. Now here int cannot convert to double. I don't know. I don't know what is the error. In my understanding, if I use the pretty Q with this, in this case, for example, okay, the pretty Q is a Q for doubles, and I am using the map.get. In this case, map.get is a double, and I am using the integer as a reference only for this point. For example, if this the first time I add the zero, well, is compare the zero with the zero, it's only one element. Now if we have one, is compare the this use the comparator for determining, in this case, two elements is 0 and 1. Consulting the map, the key 0 contains the value of 1 point whatever, and the point or the key 1 contains the Euclidean distance of 7.8, for example. The minor is the 1, you know, and is sorted. But why? Okay. Yeah, in this I am trying to put. Okay, I think that is plus. Okay, but now here and this is double to int Java. Well, I think that it's only this. Means that here I can use int and 1 and int and 2. Sorry, this is here. Sort the array on basis of the distance from the origin. Use that x1 square. Are you sure? Because here said that the distance is between this and this. Yeah, I have doubt in this, but let me try to solve this point. No. Sorry, this is inside them, and this. Come on. It's new particular. I am casting this as an integer and this as an integer too. Yeah, I need this double to int. I know that exists a function is double to int or something like that. Is this double int value? Int value. Okay, I think that I remove this and is okay. New double. Int value this. Okay, means that it's only this way. Oh yeah, yeah, makes sense. But here I don't know why incompatible types, but this, list this. Why? Still saying that I am losing the conversion here. Why? If it's adobo with adobo, why is losing the? You know what? Let me change this as adobo, and this is plus. Yeah, and this is not necessary anymore, and this is not necessary anymore. Double to in. Why? No, but in this case, but if the priority queue is based on the Euclid distance, okay, let me do it in this way, and change this by this, and come back with this and this. Yeah, I don't use the sqrt. I remove here. No, yeah, but okay. In this case, if I only add this, is double Euclid distance map dot values. I don't remember if it's values or get values. Map dot values. Values. And here is min heap dot add Euclid distance. No, but in this case should be changed as a double. Yeah, it's for this, but sort the points array. But what is the okay, if I sort the array, but I think that is the same because here basically it's a comparator. Yeah, and but I right now I have the doubt why doesn't works in this way. Why this comparator that currently I have doesn't works? Because basically I got it. Is this? Let me come back. Let me come back. Let me come back. Da, 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 da. Okay. Let me come back. This. Remove this. One and two, one and two, one and two, and 1 0. And here I think that is this. Luego Euclidean distance, it's equal this in this case. This I don't know why this is wrong. Yeah, I'm not sure, but well, I think that it's enough for this session. I will complete in the afternoon this problem, but it's an interesting problem. But I'm not sure why this. I have I'm sure that I have a wrong point here, but I don't know what is the problem. But well, thanks for following this transmission, and see you in the next. Bye bye.